We love Xero, and our clients love Xero, but they do have a common frustration. They all have multiple Xero entities, and it is tough to create automated, flexible reporting over all of them. They are sick of exporting CSVs and spending days building financial reports, so they come to dataSights because we automate their data. We help them produce fully automated Excel and Power BI reports, which saves them days of effort per month. They love that we specialize in adding non-financial data automagically, and their reporting is updated in real time. They absolutely love that they can reclaim days of manual spreadsheeting and can spend that time doing value-adding tasks instead. But instead of me talking about it, let's ask some of them directly how dataSights has helped them save time, do more, and kick goals. How has dataSights helped you improve your day-to-day?
It has decreased the amount of time that we spend on generating of our financial reports. We spend a lot of time downloading and inputting reports into Excel. There isn't a lot of time for ensuring the accuracy and completeness of these reports, just because of the time spent. And dataSights has allowed us to perform a lot more analysis, which has become utilised a lot more than actually the downloading and inputting of reports.
We really were looking for someone to make our reporting life easy. As a growing small firm, we didn't want to be spending time building a stack of spreadsheets. We wanted stuff to be integrated, and we knew that there was a better way. So Kevin's really helped our day-to-day life by just automating a heap of processes for us when it comes to reporting. We build it once and then we just have to monitor it, which means for us we can focus on giving advice to clients, not building spreadsheets for them.
What would you be doing without dataSights?
Without dataSights, we'd really be living in a house of cards. We'd have spreadsheets coming out of our ears, and we're spending a lot of time just downloading reports, pasting them into a spreadsheet structure, and then evaluating them, which is just transactional work that we don't really want to be doing in the business. We'd also have Excel files that are megabits and megabits large, sucking up processing power and having to go and have a coffee every time we want to update a report, which isn't a bad thing, having a coffee. But for right now, we can have that processing power happening in the cloud while we get on with working with our clients and building relationships.
Without dataSights, the process was very manual. So come month end, we would have very little time or very pressed for time to do our reviews and analysis. So I guess, this is a benefit that we get more time to actually look at the numbers and really understand the numbers.
What do you or your stakeholders say about dataSights powered reporting?
Oh, they're very excited about the time savings. It just gives us the ability to spend more time on analysis and just providing more insightful information.
Our clients really love it. They're not used to seeing unified data. They're used to seeing a financial report and then a sales report and then an operational report, all separate, all pulled from different systems. Our clients really like that when we do a financial model and when we build out the infrastructure on the back end of it, everything's integrated. We can show the sales numbers and trace it through all the way to the P&L. We can look at what's going on in operations and trace that through to the P&L and to the balance sheet and what's ending up in their bank account and what we predict will end up in their bank account. That's really what our clients love about what dataSights has enabled us to do and to deliver to them.
So tell me, what is it like to work with dataSights?
It's been very impressive. Kevin's been hell of a helpful with, and he always has time for us, which has allowed us to become more efficient.
Working with dataSights is fantastic. We forgive Kevin for being South African, and we like the fact that he works at home. You're never quite sure if when you're on a video call with him, he is wearing any pants underneath the table. But he's very responsive to our needs. He's been very supportive as we've grown our business in providing his time and dedication to build out the DAX code that we can't quite understand, SQL views that we think are going to really help us. It's been really good to have a partner that, whilst is a technology platform, acts like a consultative and bespoke service provider rather than just someone who gives you something out of the box and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. That's what's been best about working with Kevin.
Well, there we have it. We're proud to provide the best Xero Consolidation reporting on planet Earth, so our clients say. So don't get bogged down in mundane reporting. Your time is worth more than that. Let us automate your processes and have your data working for you.